Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a custom color theme to start menu on Windows Launch computer guys. Let's jump straight into it and go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side you need to select the personalization. On right side select the colors and Asian color, select this to manual and select what color you want it. I'm gonna choose purple and after selecting this can be changed over here. You can see the purple color has been changed over here like this. If you want to change these colors, I'm gonna go with purple guys. You can see the purple has changed over here. You can see in everywhere. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.